Yo, 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 it's 2005. Representing Paramus, New Jersey. Tween phenom, cherry pop. And me, Triple D, the deep Dr. Daddy. Woo! We're gonna be singing a song today called Beep Beep, and it's all about auto safety. Hope y'all's got a hose, cause there's gonna be a fire up in here. Cherry pop, born in 91, but she has a lot of fun. With a body like that, you don't need a gun. Look who's back, Grandma had a heart attack. She shook the world up, now pink's a new black. Cherry pop and Triple D, beep in perfect harmony, all over your MTV, and she's about to hit puberty. We always beep beep. That's you, and you. What? Drive me crazy, beep, beep. Yeah. I wanna be, Mickey Mouse Club veteran, 12-year-old sex siren. She didn't even have a period yet, yo. Yo, I'm out. I got a dental appointment. Peace! I'm out!
Get off me! Oh my god.
Dude, we got so much oral on that one, we gotta get out to the room.
All right.